Hi everyone. We can learn PMT, ipmt and ppmt. It is actually per month calculation of the EMI, interest per month and principal per month based on loan amount, rate of loan interest and loan period. So we can find here PMT, first one, then ipmt and ppmt. Let's do it. We can use the formula PMT. Every installment is fine based on month. So we have to learn that loan rate it is yearly. So we can calculate per month is equal to PMT. First one in the formula rate. So we can select the loan rate and divide it by 12 because we have to find per month EMI. Second, we have to select the period of the loan. Here we enter the data in year, 5 year. So select the cell, multiply with 12. So we can find the month of the loan period, comma, principal, then enter. Here when you enter in your Excel, it is some error is occur in some case of Excel, in which case you have to enter a loan amount negative, minus, then answer will be okay. Next one we can find the ipmt. In ipmt we have to find interest paid per month, so equal to ipmt, same as it is loan rate. So loan rate selected into divided by 12, comma, loan period multiply with 12, comma, we can select the principal amount. Here we add one thing. Here we have to add interest, which month, how many months. So we can add 1 between the rate and the period. Close the bracket and press the enter. We can see here the result. We have get 1200 rupees interest per month. Next one we have to find the which principal we repayment. Then find principal, we can use the formula PMT. Same as it is method as ipmt. Select the loan rate, multiply, divided by 12, and select which month 1, and select the loan period year. So we can convert into the month, comma, and loan amount. Close the bracket, hit the enter, see the result. Here is the one thing is that interest and principal amount, last two amount will be sum of above amount. So we can just simply sum of, we can select both the cell and hit the enter. We can see our PMT answer is equal to ipmt plus ppmt. So interest and principal is equal to EMI. So that we can find all these formula. It is the most important in any government exam and any